here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Okay, let's see how we can turn this into something meaningful. Yes.
This time on the beat.
Have a closer look. See how it is when you comb it. This is the center of the wig. Very good center. when you comb it and you brush it, it makes it look less synthetic, if you ask me. Like, oof. Wow, this is a nice hair. For me, I don't care if it's summer or winter. I like much hair. I like big hair. I don't care. And my first time trying a colored wig. Oh my god, it's so nice. It's so wonderful. You can't tell me it's not nice. I'm fine. So guys, this was just a short tutorial on how to, rock this hair, make it look less synthetic. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I mean, look at what I've done with this hair. I'm not right. So thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.